Hello, my friends. Today, you're going to need either 2 different colors of even blocks, 10 of each, or you can draw them on pieces of paper and just do it written down. I'm sorry I could not send everybody blocks. We just don't have enough to send that many blocks out, or else I would. And they're all falling apart anyway, as you can tell. Okay, thank you, my dear. I'm going to give everybody 1 link of blocks. Just leave it together and count how many blocks are in the link that I gave you. Count how many blocks are in that link.
10, 4, 5, 6,
Use your fingers to show me how many you've got.
8, 9, 1, 2, 2, I have 4,
Put that back together.
9, 10. I got 10.
Okay, now count the second stack that I gave you.
2, 3,
And see how many you've got.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20.
How many's in just the second stack first? Just the second stack.
10.
So how many was in the first stack? 10. How many's in the second stack? 10. How many is 10 and 10 put together?
20.
2 10s.
20.
Okay. So for my friends at home, I might do this. I would just draw a picture of it, my friends. And we are going to kind of, let's see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Make sure that your lines are even if you are drawing it. Parents, you can help draw the picture. That way they just have a picture of the blocks that they need. So I'm sorry, friends, I forgot already. How many was in this first stack?
10.
How many was in the second stack?
10.
And how many is 10 and 10 together?
20.
It was 20. Okay, how can I make this into 19?
But 9 more.
I have 2 10s. How can I turn this into 19? What do you think, Ava?
You have to erase
Mm-hmm.
you have to erase that,
One of these?
all of them.
All of them. Okay, let's erase
No,
all of
not
them.
all of them.
Not all of them?
All of them.
Okay, let's draw them back up. You're on the right track. She says we need to erase something. Is she right?
I have to erase.
I'm going to give us a little trick on this one. Thank you, Miss Ava. You gave us right what we need to do. We have 20. We have 10 and 10 more. I'm going to show you 10 and 9 more. Can you guys turn your blocks into 10 and 9 more? How can you do that?
1.
Oh, do you have to count all of them, my friends?
No. You just have to take one.
Jazzy, that is not what we're doing. Look at what your friends are doing. We are not building right now. So what should we do, my friends? You have your stack of 10.
Away.
Yes! Did you touch this first stack, Jazz? I mean, Ava. Did you touch this stack at all, or did you just leave it alone?
Leave it alone.
She just left it alone. She went to her second stack. How many did you take off?
1.
She took off 1. Everybody take 1 off of your second stack. And count it again. We have 10 and how many more?
9.
What's 10 and 9 more?
19.
Oh my goodness, that was easy. 10 and 9 more is 19. Okay, now I want 1 less than 19. I want 18. What do I do?
You take one away.
Take another 1 away. I'm not going to take from my first stack. I want to keep this 10. I want this to be 10 every single time. So which stack am I going to take away from?
The purple.
Yeah, you're going to take away from your second stack. How many did you take off that time?
1.
You took off another 1. How many are left?
18.
What's 10 and 8 more?
18.
Oh my gosh, this is so easy. What if I took off another block? Try another one.
It's 17.
Oh, it's 17. What if I took off another block?
16.
What if I took off another block?
15.
One more.
14.
One more.
13.
One more. We had 13. We took one away. What is it? 12. I want to take another one away. What is it? 11. Take one more away.
10.
How many stacks of blocks do you have now?
0.
How many stacks of blocks do you have?
10.
Not how many blocks, how many stacks?
Oh, 1.
How many towers? Yes, you have one tower left. Okay, let's try this again. Okay, take your 10 stacks, right? You just have 10 blocks and you have a bunch of loose blocks. Is that right? So you have one stack, just like Jason, and then he has a bunch of loose blocks, just like this. Nice, Jason. Okay, so we have 10. I want to make 11. Should I just put one more on top of this?
No.
Nope. What am I going to do?
Did it. Made 1.
I'm going to put 1. I'm going to create another stack right over here because I already have 10. I already have 10 in my stack. That's as much as we want. So 10 and one more is how many?
11.
Ooh, this is easy. Okay, add one more.
12.
10 and 2 is?
12.
10 and 3 is?
13.
10 and 4 is?
14.
10 and 5?
15.
10 and 6?
16.
10 and 7? 10 and 8? 10 and 9? 10 and 10? What's 10 and 10?
20.
Let's try it one more time because we are practicing today going backwards. We've already gone up by 1. So we know if we add 1 to 10, it's 11.
20.
Let's start with 20 again. We've got 2 10s. Let's try this one more time just in case some friends got lost. So we have 2 stacks of 10. How many do I take off to get 19?
1.
We're just going to take one block off because 10 and how many more is 19?
1.
10 and
9 more.
equals,
19.
that equals 19. Okay, I want one less. I want, take one more off. What do we have now?
18.
How do you know that?
Because 8 and 10 more.
There's 8 and 10 more, which is,
18.
okay, take one more off. What is it now?
17.
Oh, this is getting easy.
18.
How do you know it's 17?
Because it has 7.
7 and
10.
10 and 7 is,
17.
take one more off.
Wait, Miss Pepper. 16. Pepper.
Yes.
Did you know you can picture? Did you know you can leave the 1 and erase the 1 and the 2, like leave the 1 and then erase, leave the 1 and erase?
Daniel's thinking. He says, it never changes. We're working on our team numbers. I don't have to erase that 1, do I? I could leave that 1 every single time because it's 10 and 6 is what?
16.
16. What if I erase that one? Do I need to come and erase this whole number
No.
or just that number?
Just that.
Okay. 10 and 5 is how many?
15.
Who is seeing the pattern?
Me.
It's just like we did before with our hide 0 cards, my friends. So if we were to take our 10 and we had 3 more, we're just going to move those together now and it makes 10 and 3 more is
13.
yeah, 13. So that's what Daniel is saying. He's saying we don't need to move that 1. We could just squeeze it together and make 15. If that did not make sense for you, then don't worry about it. Okay, my friends, let's go down one more. Take one more off. How many do we have now?
14.
guys are getting fast at this. Which one should I change?
The 5.
Into a,
4.
how do I make this number?
Take one off. Take one off.
Because, say the word, say 10 and
3 is 13.
this is simple, my friends. We kind of did this last week, but we were going up by 1. Now we are going to practice going down by 1. Okay, let's see here.
Is it lunchtime?
The work page for today, where did I put my work pages? It looks exactly like our work page for last week, except it is going up instead of going down.
Going up and down, up and down.
Okay. So I would like you to do this the same way, my friends. So use a dark color for the 10. You will use like a green or a blue. And then for the extra colors, we'll use a highlighter. So we'll use yellow for this. So this is where it starts. It starts at a 10 with another 10 on top of it. What number is that? 10 and 10 more equals 20. Then it's going down. What number is this? It's like a countdown. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15. What am I doing when I'm counting?
You're going down.
I'm going down. Why am I doing that?
Because the numbers are going down.
Because the numbers are going down. What if this number over here was 11 and then it went 12, 13, 14, 15? Why am I doing it that way now?
Because the letters are going up.
The letters or the
Numbers.
The numbers, my friends. Okay, what's the first thing we are going to do, Reagan?
Color in the bottom blue.
Color in the bottom parts. If these are all 10, can we just color all of these? 10, blue?
No. You have.
I have all teen numbers down here. Can I just take my blue and just color blue in all these for 10?
No. Yes.
Why?
Because
Do I have a 10 right here?
no.
Do I have a dark 10 right here?
Yes.
Do I have a dark 10 right here?
Yes.
Do I have a dark 10 right here?
Yes.
Does it go all the way across? Are you going to have a 10, a dark 10 in each one of these?
Yes.
Yeah. So you can actually go through and just color all of these dark first. And then you could come back and say, okay, how many extra? How many extra is this one asking for?
9.
9. So how many extras are you going to count up?
9.
You're going to start to notice a pattern. Last time somebody said, it looks like a staircase. See if it looks like a staircase this way. Is it going up or is it going down? And
Down.
why? Okay, my friends. If you finish this, please try to do the homework page. It is a very similar page, but you are doing it with X's and O's. So do O's as the 10, and then the X's will be the extras. The back page, it is just counting down this time. So just like a rocket ship, start with the first number, 14, 13, 12, 11. What comes next? 14, 13, 12, 11.
10.
Nice.
8.
So that is what you will do on the back side, my friends.
2, 1, 0.
Okay, get started. If anybody needs any help, please contact me, and we'll see you next time. Say bye, friends.
Bye.